Hello everyone, let us talk about global warming. Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system observed since the pre-industrial period. Due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning, which increases Earth's average temperature causing by various gases in the atmosphere like ultraviolet rays of the sun, etc. If it happens naturally and to a certain extent, it is not harmful for our planet. But the extent to which global warming is happening nowadays due to a man-made reasons, it has become a serious issue to be concerned about. It is one of the biggest threats to the environment. Let us know about some effects of global warming. Due to greenhouse effect, solar radiation reaches the Earth's atmosphere. Some of this is reflected back into space. The rest of the sun's energy is absorbed by the land and the oceans, heating the Earth. Heat radiates from the Earth towards space. Some of this heat is trapped by greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, keeping the Earth warm enough to sustain life. This is trapping extra heat and causing the Earth's temperature to rise. The following points show how human activities cause global warming and affect the environment. Industries and air pollution. The emission of harmful gases like carbon dioxide, oxygens of nitrogen and sulfur, methane, etc. due to the burning of fossil fuels in the industry contribute a lot to global warming. Apart from industrial pollution, air pollution is also caused by these same gases emitted from vehicles like cars, buses, ships and aircrafts. Deforestation. The green trees absorb a large amount of carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Due to mass clearing of forest, our planet is losing the natural absorbs of carbon dioxide. Thus, the amount of this gas is increasing the atmosphere, causing global warming. Mining involves digging the Earth's surface, which allows the methane present deep inside the Earth to escape into the environment. Now, let us study about the impacts of global warming. Melting of ice. A rise in the temperature is being caused by global warming, which is leading to the melting of polar ice caps. This is leading to a rise in the sea level. If the sea level keeps on rising, then the day is not far when the coastal areas will be underwater. More severe droughts. According to scientists, global warming may increase the risks of severe drought in certain areas that have not experienced that severe droughts earlier. Rainfall and floods. Increase in the temperature causes increase in the rate of evaporation in the areas where there are plenty of water bodies. With the rise in temperature, more rainfalls is heavy down drops. This might lead to frequent floods in some areas. Global warming is also causing more frequent forest fires than before. Health hazards. Rising temperature leads to an increasing in air pollution. It also increases the intensity of the allergy reasons and accelerates the spread of diseases. Ozone layer depletion. Nowadays, pollutants containing chemicals like bromine and chlorine in the atmosphere are destroying the ozone layer by creating large holes in it. The formation of these holes is allowing large amount of ultraviolet rays to reach the surface of Earth. These rays are harmful. The following are some of the ways to prevent global warming. Educate farmers about environmental friendly agricultural practices. Put a restriction on the factories emitting harmful gases into the atmosphere. Educate people and push them to use an alternative mode of transport like public transport, cycles or electric vehicles. Maintaining ecological balance by using natural resources wisely by controlling population, saving water and saving electricity, and by planting more trees to maintain ecological balance, prevent illegal deforestation, and saving rainforests is the key to saving our planet. All of us should play a significant role in reducing carbon dioxide emission and preventing global warming, thus preserving the planet for future generations.